Hello everyone, I wish you a good morning. Today we are going to start revision of annual exam subject maths. Question number 1. Cross the odd one out in the objects. I repeat, question number 1. Cross the odd one out in the objects. So look at here. First is example given. Which shape is this? This is circle. First is circle, second is circle, third is, which shape is this? This is triangle, this is circle and this is also circle. So children, you can see which shape is different, which object is different. This one, because these all are circle, but only this one is given odd. So we have to cross out on a odd. On a odd one. Okay. Next, these all are given square shape. Okay. So children, you can see which is odd one. This one, because this is star given and these all are square shape. So this one is odd one. So we have to cross out on a star. Okay, because this is odd in all are shape. Okay, next is these all objects are same, but this one is only odd, because these all are standing position and this one is only slant position. Did you see? Yes. So we have to cross out on this object, on odd object. Okay. Next is arrows are given here. So look at here. These arrows given in same direction, but only this one given side directions. This is given stand direction, but this is given only side direction, means odd one. This object is odd. So we have to do cross out on this arrow. Okay. Next is smiley face given here. Look at here. These 4 smileys are same, but this one only in this all are smiley face, happy face, but this one only given sad face. Okay, look at here. This all smiley is same, but this one is given downside. So this is odd one. So we have to cross out on this face, sad face. Okay. Now look at here. These objects are same. Okay. But these objects only given wrong side. मतलब यहाँ देखो ये सब सेम है, सेम साइड पे, सिर्फ ये है जो अलग है. यहाँ पे सब ऊपर है ऐसा और यहाँ नीचे है. दिस वन ओनली रॉन्ग, odd. So we have to cross out on this object. Now look at here. Here heart shape given. These all hearts are same, but this one only given in wrong direction. Okay, because these all are given upside and this one only given downside. So this one only odd. So we have to do cross out on this heart. Now these all are semicircle. This is given same direction, but only this one given wrong direction. It is given downside. So which one is odd? This is. So we have to cross out on this object. Okay. Now look at here. These all are object same, because this, look at here, this same, but this one only given wrong direction. Look at here given sleeping line and here given standing line. So this one is odd. This object is odd. So we have to do cross out on this object. Next, look at here. These all stars are same, but this one only odd one. Okay, this one is given different. So we have to do cross out on this star. Okay, let's repeat again. Question number 1. Cross the odd one out in the objects. नंबर 1, यहाँ पे सब सर्कल है, सिर्फ ये एक है जो ट्रायंगल है, तो इसके ऊपर हमें क्रॉस करना है. सेकंड, ये सब सेम ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, सिर्फ ये है जो ऑड वन है, तो इसके ऊपर हमें क्रॉस आउट करना है. थर्ड, these all are given same direction, standing direction, सिर्फ ये है जो slant डायरेक्शन पे है. ओके, दिस वन ओनली गिवन ऑड वन. So we have to do cross out on this object. Number 4, arrows given in same direction, standing direction. This one only given sleeping direction, side direction. So this one only odd. So we have to cross out on this odd object. Number 5, smiley face given here. This one only given sad face. So we have to do cross out on this object. Number 6, square boxes are in same direction. This one only given opposite direction, wrong side, different, odd one. Okay, so we have to cross out on this object. This number 7, these all heart given in a same direction, only this one is given odd one. So we have to do cross out on this odd object. 8, these all semicircle are given same direction, only this one given odd one. So we have to cross out on this semicircle. Number 9, these all objects are same in sleeping line in between, only this one is odd given. So we have to do cross out on this object. Next, these all stars are same, but this one only odd one. So we have to do cross out on this star. So okay students, today we have to learn cross the odd one out in the objects. So children, I hope you all are understand. Please practice at home for your annual exam.